Hello, I'm Glenda Bills with Elegant Homestead, and I have a book review that I would like to speak of today. And the name of the book is The Green Wizard's Guide by NEITZEL. It's probably going to be backwards, but not only is it a pretty book, but I have read it, and I can tell you that I have spent most of my life using pretty much the same principles and ideas that he expresses in his book. I use them at the farm here, and it is basically about trying to be as chemical free, pesticide free, in and around the home. Some of you may know that a lot of my channel is devoted to organic and natural remedies and even cleaning aids. I have a few videos on different cleaning solutions. Well, I have been listening to Ron a lot before I even knew he was going to write a book. And I was thinking, oh my gosh, he knows things. And I was quite delighted that the more I listened to him, that, he knows a lot about, he knows about health, nutrition, chemicals, how to keep them out of your house, out of your lawn, and still have nice lawn, nice garden vegetables, nice flowers, nice shrubs, and he does it the natural way. Well, he has recipes in here that I didn't know about, and I've been a lifelong, devotee of such things. But then, when I heard he was almost through with his book, and it was almost ready to go to publishing, I was thrilled, because I knew he knew his stuff. And, of course, I immediately contacted him, told him I wanted the first copy, and I got it. Thank you, Glenda. I don't know if you can see it. Number 1 right here. He signed it, dated it, and put number 1. And I have teased him because, Ron is a jokester, and so am I. And I have teased him about using it for a coaster, as a coffee warmer, put it on top, as a coffee table decoration. Well, it is nice enough to put on the coffee table as a decoration, but no way would I use a signed copy. But I think I had him going, I would never use it for a coaster. But, he takes it good-naturedly. And Ron is such a low-key guy. Humble. He'd much rather crack jokes than speak of such serious matters as what's in this book. I was delighted when he wrote the book I should have wrote. He did it. He got it in print. And for the $14-15. Oh, and by the way, I paid for my book. I did that for 2 reasons. One is you always want to support a friend in a venture like this. But another is I wanted to give you my honest appraisal of this book. And so I actually got my pen and paper, and if you'd like to hear my notes. Good job, Ron. Well done. Now write another book. You can get this book at Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and it's being spoken about on major news, talk shows, newscast talk shows, and it's going to catch on, because who wants these chemicals that are out in your lawn brought in by your children, your pets? Then they're in your home. Why not get rid of them, have the better results in your yard, gardens, and not have to worry about the chemicals that, they may not kill you today or tomorrow, but eventually it's cumulative. They'll get you. Also, I have paid more for a magazine. Nice glossy magazine with, glossy pages and lots of advertisements. Nothing too much more than that. And also, for you people that live in apartments, you might want to get this book and go to this page, show it to the manager and say, would you please ask the maintenance people what they're putting on your common grounds area? There again, your pets, your kids are probably rolling in it, coming into your living quarters. And maybe go show them. Could you maybe use this maybe once in a while, And maybe you could talk to your neighbors. Maybe they could go talk to the manager. If there was enough of you, I guarantee you they would do something. If we would quit buying all these chemicals and pesticides, and, eventually they would have to come out with much natural, better solutions. But for now, you can do it yourself. Get the book. I actually told my daughter, who is a garden snob, lawn snob, about one of the recipes in this book. She's already used it, and she said her lawn is much greener than any of her neighbors. So there you go. Another plug. So wholeheartedly, I can say, get the book. This is Glenda Bills, Elegant Homestead. Please, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel. And happy gardening. And thank you, Ron, for this book.